Welcome back to GenAI Explained Simply. Today's episode, Harnessing AI for Creative Content, Mastering Artistic Prompts, dives into how to craft prompts that unleash the creative potential of AI, specifically in the realms of writing, art, and design. This session will guide you through techniques to inspire AI to produce original and engaging content that captivates your audience. Let's start with writing. To prompt an AI like ChatGPT to write a captivating short story, you might use a prompt that sets the scene with specifics about characters, setting, and conflict, such as write a short story about a retired astronaut who discovers an alien artifact in his backyard on the eve of his 75th birthday, sparking a government chase. This type of detailed prompt helps guide the AI's narrative direction while allowing room for creative exploration. Moving on to visual art. Using an AI like DALL-E requires prompts that detail not just the subject but also the style, composition, and mood. A prompt might look like this: create a digital painting of a futuristic cityscape at sunset in the style of a neo-impressionist, emphasizing the interplay of light and shadow. Such prompts not only specify what to create, but also how to stylistically approach the creation, giving AI clear direction while encouraging artistic flair. In the realm of design, AI can help generate innovative product designs or advertising graphics. A prompt for generating a product design might be: design a sleek, ergonomic chair suitable for long gaming sessions, featuring adjustable lumbar support and customizable armrests, rendered in a minimalist style. This tells the AI the functional and aesthetic requirements of the design, ensuring it meets both user needs and visual preferences. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that the effectiveness of AI in creating content heavily relies on the specificity and creativity of your prompts. The more vivid and detailed your prompts, the more aligned and inspired the AI-generated content will be. Thank you for joining me on GenAI Explained Simply. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for our next episode, where we will delve into using AI for generating educational content. Enhance your ability to use AI creatively and transform your approach to art and design.